We're rolling. We're rolling, Langston. He's like, wait, you caught that? It's supposed to be active pain.
March 15 coming up. And I was like, man, that's what's up. How was that? Because I can't. Well, I asked once, she said no, but then this coming up since her birthday.
Meanwhile, back at Job Corps, this is what niggas be like when they're bored.
Yeah.
This is what Langston's like when he's bored. This is what niggas be like when I'm like, I ain't got shit to do.
Looks like he's fucking.
On the other hand,
I'm fucking a baby monkey.
this is what niggas be like when they're scared to be recorded, like little babies.
He's fucking the baby monkey.
Your hair looks like King Kong's pubes.
Oh.
You got pubes, Scout. Me fucking a seagull.